Hey anglers, welcome back to Bass Online. Have you ever spent hours fishing a new lake and wondered if you were even in the right spot? You can spend years learning every corner of unfamiliar water, or you can spend a few hours with a professional guide and fast-track that entire process. So, which one actually gets better results? Guided fishing or going solo? Let's break it down. The answer really depends on what success means to you. If your goal is catching more bass, finding trophy fish, and making the most of limited time on the water, a professional guide gives you a serious advantage. Instead of searching for productive areas, you start where the fish are already active. Guides use daily experience, local knowledge, and advanced electronics to recognize changing patterns and adjust to conditions in real time. That means less guessing and more fishing. From understanding how wind and water levels affect bass movement to choosing the right lure and retrieve, every decision is based on what's happening that day, not what worked last week. Now, solo fishing has its own rewards. There's real satisfaction in figuring out a lake on your own. Every bite feels earned through your own persistence and instincts. If you enjoy the challenge of solving the puzzle, fishing alone can be incredibly rewarding. But there's also what many anglers call the learning curve tax. On a short fishing trip, spending days searching for productive water can cost valuable time. Add in fuel, trial and error tackle purchases, and navigating unfamiliar lakes, and the price of learning can add up quickly. That's especially true on large fisheries like Lake Okeechobee, the St. Johns River, Lake Toho, Lake Guntersville, or Lake Erie. On waters this size, local knowledge can make all the difference. A guide already knows current patterns, productive areas, and how changing conditions are affecting bass behavior. One of the biggest benefits of a guided trip isn't just catching fish, it's learning. Ask questions, watch how the guide positions the boat, pays attention to conditions, and adjusts presentations throughout the day. Those lessons can improve every solo trip you take afterward. So, when should you go solo? If you're fishing your home lake or a familiar pond, it's a great way to sharpen your instincts and build confidence. But if you're traveling to a bucket list destination or chasing a personal best bass with limited time, hiring a guide is one of the smartest investments you can make. Whether your goal is numbers, trophy largemouth, or simply becoming a better angler, the right choice comes down to how you want to spend your time on the water. If you're ready to skip the guesswork and focus on catching bass, check out Bass Online's professional guides. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep those lines tight and good luck on the water.